Hi, I'm Heidi. Welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making a Harissa Marinated Chicken with Moroccan Roasted Veggies. We're going to be doing it with a yogurt marinade with a number of different spices and a harissa paste, which I got from World Market. You can make your own harissa paste, or you can order one. You can get one online, or you can get one. The only place I've been able to find one is at World Market, but sometimes you can find them at grocery stores or at African stores if you can get to one in your area. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I have 4 chicken breasts here, which I've taken the skin off of. So we're going to use about 2 pounds of yogurt for this. About a 1/4 cup of honey. We're going to add about 1/2 cup of harissa paste. About everything we have left in this jar. About a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. About a teaspoon of cumin. About a teaspoon of parsley, dried parsley. About a teaspoon of white pepper. And about 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And then we're going to add in about 7 cloves of garlic. And the juice from about 3 lemons. I'm going to give this a mix. This is going to be our marinade. Taste that. It's delicious. So then we're going to put our chicken in here. Kind of bury it in there. Cover it up. And we're going to put our chicken in the fridge for about 4 hours. Now we're going to make our Moroccan roasted veggies. And here you're going to mix up all of your vegetables, and then you're going to generously mix in a Moroccan spice blend. I have laid out a recipe for the spice blend in the description. You can check the description and get all of the ingredients there. You're going to generously mix that in. Use as much of the spice blend as you want.
and get that all mixed in, and then you're gonna add in some honey.
Probably about a half a cup or so, maybe a quarter cup, maybe a little bit less than a half a cup. Yeah. The juice of 2 lemons.
Now, in traditional Moroccan cuisine, they would typically use preserved lemons. I did not have preserved lemons, so I chose to use regular lemon juice. But if you do use this recipe, I definitely recommend taking the time to preserve lemons or seeing if you can purchase some preserved lemons, because it's going to come out a lot more authentic.
Really get that down in there. And this is going to be roasted just like this. For 100 degrees for 40 minutes. Oh, these are going on top. And these are going on the bottom. So I'm gonna let the chicken carry on to cook. I'm gonna check these veggies. I'm gonna see if these veggies are tender yet. Putting it back in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna try this Harissa Marinated Chicken. It's really good. Really delicious. It's cooked perfectly. And there's Moroccan roasted veggies. They're delicious. Absolutely delicious. This is a perfect dish.